Hello and welcome to the channel. Today's video is about clock repair. This is Junghans clock, made by old German company. The Junghans brand was established in 1866 and by 1870 they were producing 100 clocks per day. In 1903 Junghans was the largest clockmaker in the world, and they were well known for producing a wide variety of clocks. The problem with this particular clock is that it is running, but losing 15-20 minutes a day. By the end of my testing, that lasted 10 days, the clock lost almost 4 hours. I'm going to open the case, take movement out and inspect it. Taking off the dial, it is in good condition. Then removing bob from the pendulum. I can see one nut is missing here. Now removing screws and nut holding the movement inside the case. Here on the plate I found a registered Junghans logo presenting with 8-point star, name of Junghans and a letter J inside the star. I did research on what code B32 could mean and found an online forum with the discussion of Junghans codes, and I got the answer there. This code represents the date when the clock was made. B stands for second half of year and 32 the year. So this clock was produced in the second half of 1932, and it means that this clock is 91 years old. Now I can see the probable cause of the problem. Severely bent the suspension spring. Overall clock looks in good condition with not much wear and it's nicely lubricated, so I will not attempt to disassemble it, but will try to fix the suspension spring. And after I was able to do that, I assembled the clock and ran it for 2 weeks. There was no more issue because clock showed a very accurate timing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye now.